Hey everybody, we're gonna show you around the farm. Today we're gonna do kind of like a little farm tour. In case you haven't met me, I'm Caitlin. Basically, we're just gonna take you with us with like the daily chores and stuff, or like a few special things that we have to do on the weekends. We're just gonna bring you all along with us.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. This is Junior. He's our bottle baby. This is his second bottle today. He is obviously very hungry. How old is he? I don't.
He's a little over a month.
A little over a month. Yeah. He's cute though. He got all excited about his bottles, and he was in there hollering for us a minute ago.
It's okay. See, it's okay. Oh my goodness.
He's sucking that thing down.
He always does.
Right now he gets about 17 ounces. We're trying to work him up a little bit just because we don't want to give him too much right now. Whoop, you missed it. So right now he gets about 17 ounces 3 times a day.
You're just so excited. Oh, you dropped it.
Look at that one.
You got a dirty face.
He was starting to get airs.
It's all of it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's all gone. It's all gone.
Don't jump, Junior. Come on, bud.
He's like a little puppy. Junior, get down, dude.
Get down, buddy.
Hello. What y'all doing?
Oh. Do you see that other bottle, baby?
This little dude's a month old also.
Just the other one.
Doing crazy. This one should be due in a day or so.
Junior, it's all gone.
We got our ones that we just weaned.
He still got his sweater on.
You know, little hoss. Yeah, you chop, bud. Come on, Junior. You want to say hi, bud?
Junior! Oh!
Oh, jumping in the chairs and stuff. Come on, Junior.
Go outside and play!
Come on, buddy.
Oh, it's muddy, Lennon.
Come on, Junior. You can do it. Good boy.
He's like, Junior, come here. Junior. Hey, little house. Junior, come here. You got some friends in here waiting to meet you. I know it's muddy. I'm sorry, buddy. Look, Junior. Look, Lennon.
What do you think, Junior? You think you're the big boy in here?
He's so excited to have friends.
Come on, Junior.
Come on, Junior.
Let's go, buddy. Come on, Junior.
Junior.
Come on, Budro.
Junior.
Junior.
This way, dude.
Come on, buddy.
Not you.
Not Adam. Junior.
Junior. He didn't want to get his feet dirty.
Yeah. He wiping on Adam.
Come on, Junior. Come on, buddy.
Get in there, big boy. Go on.
You going
Come
the
on.
wrong way.
Oh. Oh, that's a mouse trap. Nope. Come on, Junior. Oh, yeah. He wants all the mouse traps.
Hello.
Come on, Junior. Get in the...
Oh, baby, you're trapped on a tree.
Junior.
Junior, in here, bud. Where you going?
Come on, buddy. Junior.
Come here. Crazy.
Good boy. What are you doing, Changer? This is Game Changer. What are you doing,
Isn't
buddy?
he just a little over a month too?
Yeah.
The dude's gonna be humongous.
Yeah, he weighed 37 pounds 2 weeks ago.
That is crazy.
Big old boy, ain't you? Oh. Hey, Rose. You, Rosie. And Maggie. Hey, Sophie. This is our new little Pyrenees. That's Duke. What do you say, Duke?
She's like, hi. Oh, you okay, so?
Sadie ripped her ear tag out.
Oh, don't show that thing. You stupid Sadie, go. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Sophie. This big doe right here should be kidding out in a month or so. And there's Hoss. Sugar.
Bless you.
Go show him Sally. And Loretta. Down here we got Sally and Ruby and Loretta. That's Ruby. And there's Sally and Loretta. And we just boxed this barn in for them. What do you say, Ruby? Loretta. Here's their barn. Throw some straw down in here and put lime underneath it. Should help with mites and ticks and stuff. Hey, Ruby. Hey, girl. Loretta. And there's the nosy little rascals.
They're being nosy.
Always. Hey, little house. Hey, you hit him. Hey, Blood Rose. Duke coming to check everybody out. What do you say, Dookie? What do you say, Duke?
They're over here on this side.
So we got plenty of hay. Caitlin, you know that fence is electric, don't you?
It hasn't shocked me yet.
It will.
Oh, it got me.
Yeah.
It's not a very high dosage.
It takes a second because it's a little bit too much fence for that box, but
I didn't even, I'm just sitting here like.
well, it's about halfway grounded out down there, but the top ones, like this one and up, are pretty hot.
It will really.
Yeah.
I was just sitting here petting the dogs.
That's why Sophie can get under it sometimes because we don't get her that bad.
Why are they ganging up on him?
They're just playing. Him and Maggie's best buds. What are you doing, Ruby?
Look at little hoss, Lena.
Showing me good side. Yeah.
Ooh, she modeling.
Hey, Ruby. See y'all later. The cows. Yep, that's her. That's Caitlin's cow. She'll be 2 years old the end of the month, I think, if she's not already.
A bear. No, she was born on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, so she'll be 2 years old next month then.
Yeah.
Go look at the rest of them. These are all the young cows, all heifers, but this one's a cow. This is her calf down here. We made a steer out of him. He's gonna be some good old hamburger meat here before long. That's my this year's heifer. Caitlin up there talking cow. Hey, Budrow. Come on, kids.
Is that a bull calf?
That's the steer. That's hamburger.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Pot roast, steak,
Rude.
hamburger meat.
Rude.
And then
That
all
one looks
those are
like
the
more
same
built
age.
than Bear. I don't know.
Bear's the biggest one in here.
Really?
Yeah. That one's probably my favorite one.
Hen?
Yeah.
What's her name?
I don't know, that's Paws. I always liked her the best out of that crop.
I like Bear. She's a big girl.
She outweighed everyone I'm in here by probably 100 pounds besides that old cow right
It's
there.
because her mama, though.
At least 100.
It's because her mama is.
Probably 200.
Uh-oh, I got stuck. Bye, Bear.
Come on, goats. Come on. Come on, Ruby. Come on, Sally. Come on, goats. Come on, goats. Come on, goats.
Hey, little puppy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Bigfoot? I don't know what to call you, blockhead or paddlefoot. Is that blockhead or paddlefoot?
Go on, Ruby. Go, Ruby.
Can't push it, go.
Well, the cows are going to try to get the forward.
Come on, Ruby. Come on. Come on, Ruby. Got the Durafirm goat protein tub in here. Later, Ruby.
Oh, bless you, bless you.
Scarface. AKA Junior.
Junior.
He said, I'll beat you to it, boy.
No way. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. Oh my God.
I think he can beat you.
Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me.
Look at the dog. He did so good.
Oh, you gonna open the door?
Oh.
Come on, Junior. Here, let's weigh you, bud.
Oh, my goodness.
Here, get on the scale, bud.
Me?
Yeah.
Let me do this. Put it in the bucket. Okay.
Oh,
My gosh.
he's being an acrobat.
What do you say?
Well, he might just weigh himself. I don't know.
135.
All right. Now pick Junior up and see what he weighs.
Dude. Dude. Come here. Where'd you go? There he is. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay.
He's gained weight. He only weighed like 11 pounds last time we weighed him.
158. So 158 minus 135. Whew.
He's on up there now. He's about 20 something.
158 minus 135. 23 pounds.
Yeah, there you go, Junior.
Junior!
Junior getting big,
What is he
boy.
trying to get after in that thing? Dude. Come on. 23 pounds.
Wow.
He weighed like 11 last time we weighed him, didn't he?
Yeah.
He's getting bigger.
Okay.
Look at this.
23 versus 41.
Well,
Junior.
the other one's a monster. What can you say?
Brother weighs 21. Is that true?
Yep. Here's the little lot where we got all the young doe kids, and there's one little buck on in here. He ain't old enough to wean yet.
Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy girl.
Here's Daisy. Hello, Daisy.
Oh, you're just stinking.
Oh, get down.
You better not jump on me. All right. Watch out, then. Hello, y'all.
that where it's been getting all that rain. We gotta get the tractor in here and get this scooped out. Caitlin, you like this one?
Why?
I'm probably gonna move her down there with Sally and
I thought that they were mean to her.
They were, but that's because all of us were in there. I think. This is a little hostile sister. Yeah, Daisy. There's a little cookie.
Hey,
There's her mama.
Hi, baby.
Where's his sister at? There she is.
Yeah. Hi, Daisy girl.
Did you just hit Daisy?
Yeah, she did.
Don't hit
Are
Daisy.
you cold? Are you just chilling in there?
She's just a little
Are you
rascal.
chilling?
It's okay, me too.
Come up by there. Say hello. Say hi. You say hi. Here's little man.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I like that little doe. She just needs some.
She wants these little nipple thingies.
See what she had.
Quit being a turd. All right, everybody, we're going to check on the cows on the other side of the road. Whoop, we got the four-wheeler. Whoop. We're going. We're gonna go check on the mama cows and the bull, make sure they're doing all right. What you got to say?
Nothing. I like Cooper out.
We might let Cooper out and play with him a little bit. We played with him earlier, but we'll just show you all the process of that. Might give him a little treat, you know. We got him a bandana earlier. We'll show you that too.
Hey, Koopy! What you doing, dude? See, it's a bandana. He's got a Tennessee bandana with a camo.
Yeah, Cooper.
Watch out, Coop!
Either hop up or get out.
You're not gonna take him through the mud, are you?
No, we just bathed him.
All right, everybody. We're going to check on the bull. What you got to say?
We'll check on them. We'll probably feed them too, but we're going to check on them first. Hold this.
Lightning. He's that right there. What's his name? He's our bull for this year. Isn't he registered? He's a registered Angus bull. There's Teddy Bear. Hey, Teddy Bear.
Teddy bear.
Oh, he's on there. Oh, go and get him.
He ain't gonna get nobody.
I
What
don't
you doing,
want
boy?
to hear it, you grumpy Pocahontas. Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear is Bear Bear's aunt. That's where she got her name from.
Yeah, Lightning's your mom.
Lightning Bear's mama, but she didn't like me. So I named her after Teddy Bear. Cooper's having a fit.
Well, he wanted to go through the mud. I didn't want him going through the mud because we just bathed him.
He wanted to come.
Yeah, he's mad.
Uh-oh. Bull don't like the four-wheeler.
Hola, Teddy bear.
She wants some food. Look, they all coming with us. They want some food. They're some hungry rascals.
We'll go get him a bucket.
Look at the bull. He's so excited for some food, but we ain't got none. Sorry.
Big one.
Huh?
He's gonna be a big
He's
one.
gonna
See
be
how wide he
big.
is.
Oh yeah. We'll be right back. We gotta go get a bucket, alright? Be right back. Pinky promise. about face.
There was some bugs back here the other day. Hunting season's already over.
Yeah, there were some bucks back here the other day, but deer season's already over, so we're gonna just try to make it as good as we can for next season.
Oh, that's still green. I thought it done
Ooh,
turned
that
brown.
looks good.
There was a big old buck standing right here the other day.
Really?
Yeah. Not real big, not as big as the big one, but
There's your tree stand. You see it?
yeah, I don't know where my blind went to. I'm pretty sure the wind blew it off.
Oh no. Alright everybody, so we're gonna fill the buckets for the cows. They're gonna get 2 buckets right now. What are they getting right now, then?
It's just beef feed.
Beef feed?
Yeah. It's a mix we got with some corn in it.
A mix with some corn. Alright. How do you do this? I ain't never done this, folks. Does that look good to y'all? I don't know. We'll try it out. What do I do? Just pull this? Push it? What is it? How does this work?
Here, look.
Oh gosh. How do you do this?
There's a little metal thing under here.
Oh. Oh, well I almost had it. I was just looking at the
Then
wrong
you
thing.
push it all the way back forward.
Really? Well, are you gonna make me get it?
No.
Well, it looks like I'm getting it right now.
Look. Just beef pellets and corn and oats. And it's got some cottonseed hulls mixed in it in some spots.
Yeah. We're gonna give it to the mowers. Oh, okay.
You have to hold those, make sure they don't fall off.
All right.
Feet's too high. Yeah! Come on, Cal. Yeah, so.
Hey, you big punks. I'm about to be stuck in the mud. Excuse me.
I missed.
Here, get them another one before they.
I got stuck there.
Oh, now you're gonna get squished by.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Excuse me.
That's good enough.
Here.
Look at my boots.
Get them broken right. Come on. We gotta go feed the goats down at Big Mama's. And put hay out.
Okay.
What do you think?
Lightning about killed me.
She about squished you with a big booty. You said she didn't like you. I didn't believe you.
I told you.
Here they come. Come on.
Hey, you want some food?
Easy, bud.
Sorry. I got
Caitlin spilled all the
I got
feed.
stuck on the fence.
Here, get them a half more scoop. These are all the little commercial does.
In that one?
Yeah. No, put it in this one. Here, I'll do it.
Yeah, I was about to say you better do it. Sorry, Cody goats. Up over the head and everything.
These are 8 months old. And that one's 6 months old on the end. She's just huge. And this one right here is 2-year-old.
Well, I wasn't gonna touch you. I just wanted to play.
Probably be selling these two right here, these two red ones here before long. Maybe the black one also. I'm not sure. The black one's a daughter out of this one. She's pretty nice though.
Oh.
Paint chips.
It like fell, and I was like, I didn't want to eat it.
That's the 6-month-old.
Hey everybody! So I think we're finished with our chores. What do you think?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. It's cold outside. I'm about to
Yeah.
freeze.
It's been raining and
Like
cold.
drizzling and windy all day, but yeah. And I'm all kinds of muddy. Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like it. And we'll see you next time. Next time, guys.
Oh wait, I wasn't ready.